Have you ever noticed how some people stay loyal to the ones who treat them the worst? It's not always love. Sometimes it's fear. The fear of being forgotten. The fear of being replaced. The fear that if they stop trying, they'll lose the only attention they get. So when someone ignores them, they chase harder. When respect disappears, they give even more. And when they feel unwanted, they become more available than ever. Because deep inside, their mind has learned one dangerous belief. I have to earn my place in people's lives. That's why pain starts feeling valuable. The harder the connection becomes, the more important it feels. Their brain confuses emotional struggle with emotional worth. They're not chasing love. They're chasing proof that they matter. And the saddest part? The moment they finally realize their value, they stop begging for a place where they were only tolerated, never respected. Most people never even realize they're trapped in this pattern.